You know, I was recently on a phone with a past client and there was a real struggle. And really, they have a 3% current mortgage. However, they have a bunch of consumer and revolving debt that has added up. By the way, this actually doesn't surprise me, and it shouldn't surprise any of you. $1.3 trillion in revolving debt or consumer debt in our country today. That is a massive number, one that I can't even fathom, but the pain is real. You know what else is real? Everybody's home equity is also up. However, just like the conversation I was having with a past client yesterday, they don't want to do anything with their 3% mortgage. I get it. So what is the best strategy? Well, maybe, just maybe, tapping into their record high equity to handle their record high revolving debt might be the best solution. By the way, in case you haven't heard, we are now offering debt consolidation to qualify right within the Figure lead portal using the inquiry tool. Make no mistake about this, my industry friends, the pain is real, and we think we've got a solution for it.